In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use coins in Aliexpress. Aliexpress coins are a built-in rewards currency that help you reduce the price of certain items. I'll walk you through how to see your balance, find coin-eligible products, and make sure those savings are applied at checkout. Start by opening the Aliexpress app and logging into your account. If you don't have the app yet, install it first so you can access the coin section and the coin only deals. Once you're on the home screen, look for the coins area. You can usually tap coins directly on the home page or go to account then coins. This page shows your total coin balance so you know exactly what you have to work with. You earn coins through daily check-ins, playing games in the app, shopping, and completing simple tasks. So visiting this section regularly can help you build up more savings over time. Next, you'll want to find items that actually accept coins because not every product does. The easiest way is to open the coins page and tap use coins or coin discounts to see a curated list. As you browse, keep an eye out for labels like coins discount or extra off with coins on the product page. These indicate that the item supports coins, and the discount can range widely, sometimes from about 1% up to half off, depending on the item and the current promotion. When you find a coin eligible product you like, open it and proceed with buy now or add to cart. Buy now is recommended because coin discounts sometimes apply only when you purchase immediately, rather than checking out from the cart later. If you prefer to build a cart, just remember to double check whether the coin offer still appears at checkout. On the checkout page, confirm that coins are being used. Look for lines that say coins discount or coins deduction. You'll see how many coins are being applied and exactly how much money is being taken off the total. If the item supports coins, this reduction typically appears automatically. If you don't see it, the product may not be coin eligible for that order configuration. Finally, choose your payment method and pay the remaining balance after the coin deduction. You can use options like credit or debit cards, PayPal, or local payment methods available in your region. Coins themselves are not a standalone payment method. They simply reduce the price you pay. That's it. Check your balance, shop coin eligible items, verify the deduction at checkout, and enjoy the savings.